Now I am going to take question number 4 equal to construct 2 cross 2 matrix comma A equal to opening of square bracket A input ij closing of square bracket whose elements are given. Roman 1 A input ij equal to I plus j का whole square over 2. Roman 2 A input ij equal to I over j. Third, A input ij equal to I plus 2j whole square over 2. Now, I shall take the solution of question number 4 Roman 1 only, and question number 4 Roman 2 and Roman 3rd will be homework for you all. Now I shall write here solution. Solution. Question number 4 Roman 1 I shall take. Imply that here you can see construct a matrix of order 2 cross 2. A equal to A input ij. So here I shall write let A equal to opening of square bracket I shall do here. I have to construct a matrix of order 2 cross 2. So here I shall write the order 2 cross 2. The elements of first row I shall write A double 1. Elements of first row, second element A 1 2. Second row, first element 2 1 A 2 2. I have written. So let the matrix A equal to A 1 1 A 1 2 A 2 1 A 2 2. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. I have written. First row 1 1. First row 1 1. Second row 2 2. First column 1 1. Second column 2 2. Now here it is given that A input ij equal to I plus j का whole square over 2. On this basis, I shall calculate A11, A12, A21, A22. So I shall take here A11. First of all, I shall take 1 1. Here you can see first one shows row position I. Second one shows column position j. So in place of I can write 1. In place of j, I can write 1. So here it will become, in place of I shall write 1. In place of j, I shall write here 1. A whole square I shall take over 2. Imply that I can write very well. A11 equal to 1 plus 1, you will get here 2, a whole square over 2. Imply that A11 equal to 1 plus 1, 2, का whole square over 2. So you will get here 2 2 ja 4 over 2. Imply that A11 equal to 2, you will get here 2. Now take second element of first row. I shall write here A12. A12. This is the formula. You have to put the value of I and j respectively. So here I shall write the value of I shall take from here 1. The value of j I shall take here 2. Ka whole square I shall take over 2. Imply that A12 equal to 1 plus 2 will get here 3. 3 ka whole square over 2. Imply that A12 will get here 3 3 is 9 over 2. Imply that A12 equal to 9 over 2 will get. Now take first element of second row, A input 21. So here you will write, in place of I shall write 2. In place of j, I shall write here 1. Ka whole square. Whole over 2 I shall write, imply that A21 will get here 2 plus 1, 3. 3 ka whole square will get here 9. 9 over 2 will get here. 9 over 2. 9 over 2 we have got here. Now the second element of second row I shall write here A input 22 will get here. In place of I shall write here 2. In place of j I shall write here 2. Ka whole square it will become over 2. Implied that A input 22 equal to 2 to 4. 4 into 4 over 2 will get here. A input 22 equal to 16 over 2. Imply that A input 22 equal to 8 you will get. In place of I shall write here 2. In place of j I shall write here 2. 2 plus 2 will get here 4. 4 ka whole square will get here 16 over 2. 16 over 2, A22 equal to 8. You have got here. Now hence the desired matrix A will be A equal to A11. A input 11 you have got here 2. Write here 2. A12 you have got here 9 over 2. Write here 9 over 2. A21 you have got here 9 over 2. Write here 9 over 2. A22 have got here 8. Write here 8. Closing of square bracket I shall do here. Hence the desired matrix A will be A equal to the elements of first row I have written here 2, 9 over 2. The elements of second row I have written here 9 over 2, 8. This here I have got the answer. Here I shall get answer equal to 2, 9 over 2, 9 over 2, 8. Closing of square bracket I shall do here. So you have got the desired answer, this one. This is the complete solution of question number 4, Roman 1 of chapter 3 Matrix NCERT 12 Mathematics.